Alright guys, I'm going to take you through a single stroke warm-up. Okay, we're going to hit the snare drum on your drum kit, and you're going to be using your right hand in the centre of the snare, followed by your left hand in the centre of the snare. And we're going to do 4 of these in a row. And we're going to keep that going round to warm up on your single strokes. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I want you to practice these as quietly as you can after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what we're going to do is every right hand is going to be a loud note and every left hand is going to be a quiet note. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's flip that round. Right hand is going to be quiet, left hand is going to be loud. 1, 2, 3, 4. And our final exercise on single strokes is going to be every 4 notes, the first note is going to be loud and the other 3 are going to be quiet after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try and do that a little bit quicker together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, that was a good single stroke workout, and what I want you to do is to go back to the beginning of this video and practice it again. Follow all my instructions and try and copy exactly what I do at the speed that I play it, and if you practice that, your single strokes will start to get better and better and your dynamics will start to improve as well. Alright guys, good luck, enjoy.